Hello everyone, Sanjana this side, and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about forever aloe peaches. Content of this video is going to be first we will talk about ingredients of aloe peaches. After that, seals and certifications of this product. Then what are the benefits of this product, how to use it, and what are the precautions to be taken while using it. I'll tell you all these things in detail. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. It has 84.5% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel and 15.5% peaches. Its taste is sweet and sour. It tastes very tasty. I have personally used it. It contains vitamin A, C, and vitamin E. No preservatives are added in it. It supports healthy digestion. It is vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, and gluten free. After that, this product has also got many seals and certifications, which defines that this product is best. First seal is International Aloe Science Council Seal of Approval. This seal is given to the product of aloe vera only, which have above 65% pure aloe vera gel and environment friendly. This seal is given after 300 to 400 quality tests. If any company fails even in one test, then they cannot give test for next 4 years, and since this seal was started, Forever Living Products achieves this seal every year. Next seal is cruelty free seal, means products are not tested on animals. Next, kosher rating seal. This seal defines the purity and quality of the product. Those products which have this seal are recognized and respected at the international level. Forever's Aloe Peaches has this seal also. Next, ISO certified. It has got the certification of ISO for its standard of the products. Next, M Halal certification, which defines that there is no intoxicating or alcoholic substances is added in it. These all seals and certifications are given to the aloe peaches of Forever Living. Now let's talk about health benefits of aloe peaches. The first benefit is detoxification. It cleans our intestine because it contains aloe vera. It supports nutrient absorption, supports gut health plus reduce stomach problems like acidity, constipation, etc. It promotes a healthy immune system because it has vitamin C. It also maintains natural energy levels of a human being. Next benefit, it is beneficial in ulcer in stomach, best for eyes. It contains rich amount of vitamin A, which is very useful for eyes and keeps our eyes healthy. If a person has glasses with no low number, then if he uses this product regularly for 5 to 6 months or a year, then there are higher chances that number of his glasses may reduce or even glasses may be removed. Okay. Next, it contains beta carotene, which helps in improving eyesight, cleans our lungs due to which we get relief in asthma also. It increasing concentration because it has vitamin E. Next benefit, it helps in physical and mental development of a children, very beneficial for mentally retarded children. It is best for children because they have a little problem in taking bitter medicine, but its taste is sweeter, so children love to drink this healthy drink. Next, it cleans skin and promotes beauty of skin, keeps our heart healthy, and it increases lifespan also. Like if we stay healthy longer, then definitely live for many years, right? Next, 16th benefit, it increases our appetite and very good for our hair and nails, helps to protect the body from the risk of cancer. It is beneficial in enhancing physical beauty. So these are the benefits of this product. Overall, this is an amazing product with so many health benefits. You can use it yourself and also share with your family and friends. See, this is a nutritional product which you have to use for longer time for proper results. Now let's talk about how to use aloe peaches. I'll tell you 7 steps. First, drink aloe peaches in the morning on an empty stomach without even brushing your teeth. Quantity 30 to 40 ml. It has to be taken in glass tumbler only. If you pour it in a steel glass, then some of its properties get destroyed. So make sure that you are drinking it after pouring in the glass tumbler only. Okay. Do not drink aloe peaches mixed with water even by mistake. After 15 to 20 minutes of drinking aloe peaches, drink 1 to 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Eat food after 15 to 20 minutes of drinking water. For best results, drink half or 1 liter more water than you drink a day. You have to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. So use aloe peaches in this proper manner, okay? What are the precautions of using aloe peaches? First, don't drink directly from the bottle because bottle is made up of paper board. If you drink directly from the bottle, then the area around the cap start deteriorate. Second, do refrigerate immediately after opening the bottle. Third, keep the bottle straight in the refrigerator. Do not keep it tilted. Fourth and most important, do not recommend aloe peaches to pregnant women because they do not need cleansing. And do not recommend this product to high sugar patients because it has sugar content. You can recommend aloe vera gel to that person. Okay. If you have any query related to any product of Forever Living Products International, or you want to use any product, then you can fill the form given in the description of this video, and I'll definitely provide you proper information. If you want to know about price and other things related to the product, you can just fill the form given in the description. I'll help you out, okay? So if you really like this information about aloe peaches, then you can just share this video to your teammates, friends and family. And you can subscribe to this channel for more products information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can also share your experience in the comment box. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Take care.